Welcome to Renovation X, your go-to channel for transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary dream homes. Are you thinking about renovating your home in Dubai but feeling overwhelmed by the process? Maybe you've got a vision of your perfect space, but the thought of permits, contractors, and budgeting makes your head spin. Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate step-by-step guide to planning a successful renovation in Dubai. Whether you're revamping a villa, upgrading an apartment, or giving your office a modern makeover, we've got you covered with expert insights, must-know tips, and insider secrets that will make your renovation journey smooth and stress-free. And trust me, this is not just another basic renovation tips video. We're talking about the real game-changing strategies that professionals use, so grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into this exciting transformation. Before picking up a hammer or calling a contractor, ask yourself, what do you really want to achieve with this renovation? Are you looking to increase property value, create more functional space, or add a luxurious touch? If you're renovating to increase resale value, focus on kitchens, bathrooms, and high-end finishes. If your goal is better functionality, consider space optimization, smart storage solutions, and modern layouts. For aesthetic upgrades, look at trending materials, custom designs, and high-quality craftsmanship. Create a vision board with images from Pinterest, Instagram, or magazines to visually define your dream space. One of the biggest challenges in any renovation is sticking to a budget. In Dubai, renovation costs can vary significantly based on materials, labor, and permits, so having a clear financial plan is crucial. Basic renovations like painting, flooring, and minor updates can cost between AED 500 to 1,500 per square meter. Mid-range renovations like kitchen and bath remodels, custom furniture, and structural changes range from AED 2,000 to 5,000 per square meter. Luxury renovations, including high-end finishes, smart home integrations, and full transformations, start at AED 6,000 plus per square meter. Always set aside 10 to 20% of your budget for unexpected costs. Trust me, surprises are inevitable in renovations. Dubai has specific rules for home renovations, and skipping approvals can lead to hefty fines. If your renovation is only cosmetic like paint, flooring, or cabinetry, you don't need a permit. If you're changing layouts, electrical wiring, or plumbing, you'll need approval from Dubai Municipality or Trakees, for freehold areas. If you live in a gated community or apartment building, get clearance from your building management before starting work. Hire a contractor who knows Dubai's permit system inside out. They'll handle approvals for you, saving time and stress. The success of your renovation depends on hiring the right professionals. In Dubai, where the market is flooded with options, this step is crucial. Always check if contractors are registered with Dubai Municipality or Trakees. Ask for before and after photos of their past projects. Look for Google reviews, testimonials, or ask for references. Get everything in writing: cost estimates, timelines, and payment schedules. Don't just go for the cheapest option. Quality workmanship will save you money in the long run by preventing repairs and maintenance issues. This is where the magic happens. Dubai offers some of the most stunning materials and design trends, from Italian marble to Moroccan-inspired tiles. Flooring options include porcelain tiles, engineered wood, or high-end marble. For walls and paints, consider textured finishes, luxury wallpapers, or neutral tones. Integrate smart home tech like voice-controlled lighting, smart ACs, and automated blinds. Explore sustainable and eco-friendly options such as solar panels, energy-efficient lighting, and water-saving fixtures. Visit showrooms in Al Quoz or Dragon Mark to explore materials firsthand before making final decisions. A renovation without a timeline can turn into a never-ending nightmare. Small upgrades like painting, flooring, and minor fixes take about 2 to 4 weeks. Medium-scale renovations like kitchen and bath remodels, and layout changes can take 2 to 4 months. Full home transformations with structural changes and custom interiors can take 6 to 12 months. Use project management tools like Trello or Monday.com to track progress and deadlines. Before signing off on your renovation, do a walkthrough with your contractor to check for unfinished work. Test everything, including lights, plumbing, cabinets, and doors. Request all necessary paperwork such as warranty details, maintenance guides, and permit approvals. If you want a personalized renovation strategy for your home, we're offering an exclusive free design consultation for our viewers. Click the link in the description to book your spot. Slots are filling up fast. But wait, we're not done yet. Beyond the technicalities, let's talk about how you can make your home truly unique. Incorporate personalized design elements like custom furniture, statement lighting, and feature walls to give your space character. If you love the charm of traditional Arabian aesthetics, consider adding intricate mashrabiyah screens or geometric tile patterns. For a sleek, modern vibe, go for minimalist furniture, glass partitions, and ambient LED lighting that enhances your space effortlessly. And let's not forget about outdoor spaces. If you have a balcony, terrace, or garden, don't neglect it. Transform your outdoor area with artificial grass, outdoor seating, pergolas, or even a small water feature. Dubai's climate allows for year-round outdoor enjoyment, so make the most of it by creating an inviting exterior space. Now that you've planned your renovation from start to finish, here's a final golden tip: stay patient and flexible. Renovations, no matter how well planned, come with unexpected twists and turns. Maybe your dream tiles go out of stock, or a delay happens due to a permit issue. Instead of stressing, adapt to changes, stay in constant communication with your contractors, and always have a backup plan. Renovating your home is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that reflects your personality and enhances your lifestyle. Whether you want a cozy, warm ambience or a sleek, contemporary finish, every detail you choose matters. Personal touches like family heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or a custom-built reading nook can make your home feel truly special. Another key aspect to consider is lighting. The right lighting can completely transform your space. Use layered lighting, ambient lighting for general illumination, task lighting for specific activities, and accent lighting to highlight architectural features or artwork. In Dubai, pendant lights, recessed LED strips, and dimmable options are popular choices for modern homes. Finally, think about future-proofing your home. Trends come and go, but timeless designs last forever. Opt for neutral color schemes with bold accent pieces that can be easily updated over time. Choose quality over quantity when selecting furniture and decor. A well-planned renovation will not only make your home beautiful today but also functional and stylish for years to come. Your renovation journey doesn't end and the last nail is hammered in. Think about maintenance and upkeep. High-end materials require proper care, marble needs sealing, wooden floors need refinishing, and smart home devices need regular updates. Keeping up with maintenance ensures that your home remains as stunning as the day your renovation was completed. There you have it, the ultimate step-by-step renovation guide for Dubai. If this helps you, hit that like button, subscribe to Renovation X, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Have questions or renovation experiences to share? Drop them in the comments, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy renovating, and we'll see you in the next video.